Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the very popular Patong Beach in Phuket. Along with that I will be covering the Bangla Road. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video, and if you like that content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. At the Bangla Road is very different in the morning and in the night. So I have made a dedicated video on how Bangla Road looks like at night, so don't miss that video. It's in this particular playlist itself. So this is the Patong Beach here in Phuket, and it's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's just a minute's walk from the Bangla Road, and I would definitely recommend you all to stay in Patong because this place is absolutely insane. So I hope you have loved the content of the Patong Beach and the Bangla Road. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer each and everyone's call. Right now, we are moving on towards our next location. So see you all again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.